Should you repair your broken dryer or just buy a new one? Here's the framework I give every customer. Step 1. How old is it? Dryers last 12 to 15 years. If yours is under 8 years old, almost any repair is worth it. If it's over 12, start leaning toward replacement. Step 2. What's the repair cost? Apply the 50% rule. A new mid-range dryer costs $500 to $800. If the repair is more than half that, $250 to $400, seriously consider replacing. Step 3. Repair history. If you've already fixed it once or twice in the past 2 years, that's a pattern. The appliance is telling you it's dying. Stop throwing money at it. Step 4. What's the brand? Whirlpool, Maytag, and GE dryers are worth repairing at almost any age because parts are cheap and available. Samsung and LG, repair if under 7 years. After that, parts are expensive and less available. Step 5. Is it a simple or complex repair? Belt replacement for $150? Always repair, regardless of age. Control board for $400? Only if the dryer is under 6 years old. Common repairs that are always worth it: thermal fuse, belt, rollers, idler pulley. These are cheap and extend life by years. Common repairs that might not be worth it: motor, control board, gas valve assembly on a 12-year-old dryer. We always give honest advice. If repair doesn't make sense, we tell you. Same-day service. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.